Hey, this is Pete with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. Just want to give a little update on some things that have been going on. The stock market has actually been a little bit flimsy because a lot of the recent conflicts, I'm sure you're aware of, well, gas going up. Due to that fact, I'm not recommending, I'm just telling you what I'm doing because this is just for entertainment purposes only. Don't sue me, bro. But oil stocks actually, and gas stocks, not Ukrainian, of course, or Russian, have been consistently going up. A lot of people say fuel prices are expected to get to $7 to $9 by spring or summer, and that being the case, the price per barrel is expected to go up pretty high. So when you're looking at these stocks, they've already been going up. Gains have already been being made by some people who are buying, and nice profit potential can be there. A lot of people are also asking about other things, like I constantly get questions from people asking if the economy is going to crash or when the market's going to change. My primary occupation, real estate. My new book's coming out, by the way, How to Sell Real Estate. It should be out very soon. The website's howtosellrealestatebook.com, where I'm going to have a special offer, but you can get it on Amazon, so it should be launching. Or if you're watching this, it might already be launched, so check it out. But what we're going to focus on right now is not worrying about a market crash, because I don't think it's going to happen within the next month or 2 months or 3 months. If it's going to happen, my guess is it's going to be beyond that. When exactly, it's always tough to tell. But the oil stocks right now, they are going up. A lot of stocks are going down. Consumers are starting to worry, of course, because of the fuel prices. And they were already a little shaky because of the fact that the prices have gone up. And when you're barely making it and fuel prices go up, cost of living goes up, like food, that does make a big difference. So it is hurting a lot of people, unfortunately. So that's not positive. But I would keep an eye. If you have some transitional stuff or not sure what to do, make those switches. I am going to make my video soon, whether the market crashes or not, on what to do when the market crashes. So you definitely want to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, because I do have not guaranteed, but past performance. You can find certain things that never have an issue when there's a market crash, or you can see from past performance they're always profitable when the market crashes. And I'm going to make a video on that so I can explain those things to you. It's Pete from the Small Business Resource Center. Subscribe to my channel for my new book. It's howtosellrealestatebook.com. Have a great day.